Is your Vizio Smart TV refusing to turn on? Facing a blank screen can be frustrating after a long day when all you want is to relax with your favorite show. In this guide, we're going to explore how to fix a Vizio Smart TV that won't turn on so you can get back to watching in no time. Whether it's a power issue or a minor glitch, we've got the steps that might just solve your problem. Step 1. Check the power source. Before considering complex solutions, always start with the simple ones. Ensure that your Vizio Smart TV is properly plugged into a working electrical outlet. Test the outlet using another device, like a lamp or a phone charger. Sometimes power strips and surge protectors may fail without showing any visible signs. Plugging the TV directly into the wall switch can quickly identify if the problem is with power source or the TV itself. Step 2. Examine the power cable. Inspect the power cable for any signs of damage. Frays, cuts, or any other visible damage can interrupt the power supply to your TV. Make sure the cable is securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. If there's any suspicion of cable damage, replace it as soon as possible. Using a damaged cable can be hazardous and may lead to further complications. Step 3. Perform a power cycle. A power cycle can resolve many temporary glitches. To perform a power cycle on your Vizio Smart TV, unplug the TV from the electrical outlet and leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds. During this time, hold down the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. This helps drain residual power and can reset the internal circuitry. After 1 minute, plug your TV back in and attempt to power it on. Step 4. Check the remote control. If the TV doesn't turn on despite your efforts, the issue might lie with your remote control. Replace the batteries in your remote with fresh ones. Ensure there are no obstacles obstructing the TV's IR sensor. You can also use your TV's power button, typically located on the side or bottom panel, to turn it on manually. If the TV responds, there might be an issue with your remote, which can be solved by replacing it. Step 5. Test the TV's internal components. If your Vizio Smart TV remains unresponsive, it might be facing internal hardware issues. Listen carefully for any unusual noises or check for flashing lights on the TV. These can be indicators of hardware malfunctions. While some internal issues require professional repair, a factory reset can occasionally resolve software-related problems. Refer to your TV's user manual for instructions on how to perform factory reset. While it can be concerning when your Vizio Smart TV won't turn on, following these steps on how to fix a Vizio Smart TV that won't turn on often resolves the problem. Always start with basic troubleshooting before considering professional help. If none of these solutions work, it may be time to consult Vizio's customer support or seek assistance from a certified technician. Remember to handle electrical devices carefully and prioritize the use of safe and appropriate practices. Rest assured, with a bit of patience, you'll have your TV back to functioning properly in no time. Happy watching.